इंग्लिश शिखा हेले यह भिडटी को आरंभ शेष पर्यंत देखु। भिडटी भल लगे लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करूँ। हेलो एवरीवन, स्पोकन इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस लेट्स स्टार्ट। तुम भाई को सेवा किए करुछंती? हु इज ट्रीटिंग योर ब्रदर? हु इज ट्रीटिंग योर ब्रदर? आपणक विरोध में किए अभियोग करिछि? Who has complained against you? Who has complained against you? ए मामलार प्रतिवादी किए? Who is the defendant in this case? Who is the defendant in this case? एही ग्लास टी किए भांगी? Who has broken this glass? Who has broken this glass? ए विषय रे हस्तक्षेप करिबा लोक से किए? Who is he to interfere in this matter? Who is he to interfere in this matter? आपण इयाडे किपरि आसंती? What bring you here? What brings you here? से आपणकर कौन हेबो? What is he to you? What is he to you? आपण को केते क्षीर दरकार? How much milk do you want? How much milk do you want? से केतोटी आंब किनिले? How many mangoes did she buy? How many mangoes did she buy? केउंटी आपणकर कलम अटे? Which is your pen? Which is your pen? तुम विद्यालयर प्रतिष्ठाता किए? Who is the founder of your school? Who is the founder of your school? ता सहित तुम्हार संबंध कौन? How is she related to you? How is she related to you? आपण ताजमहल देखिचंती कि? Have you seen ताजमहल? Have you seen ताजमहल? आपण को बापा कौन अटंती? What is your father? What is your father? भारतर राजधानी नाम कौन? What is the capital of India? What is the capital of India? आपण सेठाकू जिबे कि? Will you go there? Will you go there? से सुंदर अटंती कि? Is she beautiful? Is she beautiful? तुम घरे किए पसिला? Who broke into your house? Who broke into your house? आपण मते साहाय्य करिवे कि? Will you help me? Will you help me? से केबे आसीबो? When is he due? When is he due? आपनकर प्रति से असंतुष्ट कि? Is he displeased with you? Is he displeased with you? सिख धर्मर प्रतिष्ठाता किए? Who is the founder of Sikhism? Who is the founder of Sikhism? कबाट किए ठक ठक करुछि? Who is knocking at the door? Who is knocking at the door? Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share. Keep practicing.